Alright, Snow and Shell here. I'm unpacking the Comica Micro Directional Condenser Shotgun Microphone, the CVM-VM10. Pulling out of the box, we can see it has actually a nice carrying case that comes with it. And upon opening it, we have the microphone, the windscreen, the shock stabilizer, the dead cat cover for the microphone, and a 3.5 jack for the smartphones and for your camera. So here we have the mic right here. Real small, real simple. Then we have the windscreen. Then we have the shock mount, which last time I tried to put on was really hard to do. But when it goes on really nice. So there's the shock mount on, the windscreen, it's real nice, real simple, and the thing I'm using to record on right now is the Zoom H1 Handycam, or handy recorder, and then I'm recording this video with a GoPro Hero 5 Black 4K. Now here's a recording of the sound coming from the Comica Mic, and it's really clear, really good, and I'm recording it through my Zoom H1 Handycam since the GoPro Hero 5 Black preamp is not so good compared to the one on the Zoom H1. Thank you.